Good morning. Today is January 14, 2024 Sunday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 14, 2024 Sunday. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Sunday, January 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Sunday, January 14, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.